Hi there! I'm going to give you a quick rundown on the Osmo Creative Starter Kit. If you're looking for something for kids ages 5 to 10, this is a great place to start. It comes with everything your tablet needs to get into the Osmo learning system. It includes the Osmo Creative Board, dry erase markers, and a microfiber eraser pouch. It comes with 3 imaginative games and apps, and the required Osmo Base. Place your compatible tablet in the base with the red reflector on top, and you're ready to start a game. The red reflector allows your tablet's camera to scan the table and see what kids are working on and creating. I'm going to start with Monster. In Monster, Mo the Monster asks kids to draw different things and then pulls the drawings onto the screen into his magical world. See how I draw a magic wand? Mo pulls that very wand onto the screen and uses it himself. Watch drawings come to life and animate on screen. It encourages creativity, confidence, and unleashes kids' inner artist. Plus, the entire Osmo Monster experience is available in Spanish. Masterpiece is the one that I really enjoy. All you need is paper and something to draw with, like a pencil or a marker. Simply lift the drawing band and slide an ordinary piece of paper underneath. The drawing band will hold everything in place while you create your masterpiece. It's a fantastic drawing tool that teaches simple lines all the way to detailed drawings. It even includes a time-lapse video for easy sharing. Newton is a physics-based game where you guide falling balls on the screen into targeted zones with paper and pencil or anything really, even my hand. Anything that can be placed in front of the tablet. This game fosters your creativity, teaches the basics of physics, and develops problem-solving skills. I hope this was helpful. Kids will have fun using their imaginations in these creative hands-on learning games, and parents can feel good about screen time. If you're interested in more, check out the other great games or starter kits in the Osmo Learning System.